Yes, students. So let us discuss about osmosis and osmotic pressure. Please take down notes. Osmosis and osmotic pressure. Osmosis is the phenomenon of transfer of solvent. Osmosis is a phenomenon of transfer of solvent molecules from lower concentrated solution to higher concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, so when two liquids are separated, when two liquids are separated, and before that we need to explain the nature of the liquids, I mean the solution. So they have two different concentrations. Let me say C1 and C2. So C1 is more concentrated than C2. So in which case the concentration, I mean the solvent part is more in the less concentrated solution. And when these two solutions are separated by a semi-permeable membrane, the solvents from the lower concentration move through the semi-permeable membrane to the higher concentration side. And this transfer of a solvent continues till both concentrations are equal. This phenomenon is called osmosis. And the osmotic pressure is represented by pi. It is a pressure exerted to stop the osmosis. How it can be stopped? It prevents the entry of solvent molecules, okay, from lower concentration to higher concentration. And this pi is directly proportional to the temperature. Or suppose the temperature is constant, means it is proportional to the concentration of the solute, that we can say concentration of the solute. Okay, so you can mention P is directly proportional to C, and C is nothing but concentration in terms of molarity. We know molarity is nothing but number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. So in this case it is represented as C as a general term. And when we remove the proportionality, you have to introduce the constant, and that is called the R. That is similar to the gas constant. Okay, similar to gas constant. Therefore, and this pi is equal to, we can say that is C into RT, where R is equal to gas constant. R is equal to gas constant, and here is a constant. It is equal to that constant only. Okay. So pi into V is equal to N2 into RT. Okay. And N2 is nothing but W2 divided by M2. Is it not? So W2 by M2 means, what is W2? You know very well, W2 is weight of the solute. Okay, W2 is the weight of the solute. And M2 is equal to molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute. So therefore, we can say, we can derive the formula, we can determine the molecular mass from this osmotic pressure. Is it not? So M2, we have one equation, that is M2 is equal to W2 into RT by V. Okay. So knowing this, that is pressure, osmotic pressure, knowing this values of pi, then W2, R and T, we can measure the, or we can determine the molar mass. Okay, molar mass of the solute. Molar mass of the solute. Is it clear? Let me ask one simple question. What are isotonic solutions? Can anyone tell me? Just type it. Shreya is correct. That is, the osmotic pressure of two solutions are equal. That's great. And what is hypertonic solution? Hypertonic. What is hypertonic solution? Yeah, that's great. But we have to tell, that is in which way, in what way. No, there are two terms. There are two terms. That is hypertonic and hypotonic. hypotonic. Yes, when the salt concentration is greater, then it's called hypertonic. When the salt concentration is less, it is called hypertonic. Shrey is correct. What is hypotonic? You should not say concentration of solvent. So when you say concentration, it is the term associated with the solution only. It can be either salt solution or acid solution or base solution. Okay. Now let us try to solve a simple problem. Concept is osmotic pressure. Try to solve this problem. I have given a problem to you. Can you try this? What are given? Give the quantity also. Okay, so volume is 200 cubic centimeter, temperature 300 Kelvin, and then what else given? 1.26 gram of protein. Yes, that is protein. Pi value is given, and you have to tell the unit. Pi is equal to 2.57 into 10 power 3 minus 3 . Good. What is asked? M2. So what is the equation to be applied? Now you can write down work out the solution and send it. Try this quickly. Let me wait. Finished? Everyone should participate. R value 0 point, no, 0.083. So this R value has got a different, R constant has got different values in different units. We will discuss that topic separately. Based on the input, it will change. Anyone got the answer quickly? Do it quickly. It's getting late, quickly. Send the working. No, that is wrong. Very simple. Take down. M2 is equal to 1.26 gram into 0.083, that is the constant value, into 300 whole divided by 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 into 0.2, 0.2 liter. Now, see, I have given the correct answer. Please go through that. You have made the mistake in decimals. It is 61.022, not 60,000. Okay. Okay, so let us conclude with the three questions. let us conclude this live session with 3 OBJ questions. Okay. Can you get me the answer for this? A raw mango placed in concentrated salt solution loses dash via osmosis and shrivel into dash. What is that? Second question. What is edema? What is edema?
Edema is a disorder caused due to swelling of the cell or puffiness.
Good. Last question. The preservation of meat by salting and of fruits by adding sugar protects against dash. Okay, thank you guys for participating in this live session. I'll send the YouTube link. Others can also enjoy.